Shopify recently added the ability to set the publishing status for individual variants, whereas before you could set a single product to be published or unpublished on certain sales channels. Now you also have the ability to do that on a variant level. Today we'll show you how to use Altera, which is compatible with Matrixify, to import and export this data in bulk. Let's get started. To begin with, we'll need to export our product data that we want to update. So in this example, we'll just choose one product and we'll export the selection with Altera, and that brings us over to the export configuration screen. Here we don't need to select many fields, so we'll unselect the category. For the inventory and variants, let's just keep the variant ID there. And for general, just so we can see kind of what we're editing, we'll keep the ID in the handle. And then the important part to select is under sales channels. Now when you select the sales channels category and you open it, we have two options here. We have published on sales channel, which controls the product level publishing, and then the variant published, which controls individual variants. For this example, we'll just do the variant one. So we'll click on save. We'll see that the app already has the product that we were looking at filtered. So we'll go ahead and start the export. This should just take a second to run for one export, and we'll download the output. And here we see our spreadsheet. The format is very similar to Matrixify, except that we have these variant published columns here in the output. Now it's simply a matter of adjusting these values for the different variants publication states. So in our case, if we want to say disable the buy button on these first four variants, we can do that and leave everything else as set. So we'll just save that file. It's the one ending in 702. Then if we go back to the app, we'll go here, click on upload file, open the file ending in 702. Altera will analyze it, identify that we have the variant published column configured, and we'll start the import. That will just take a second, and one nice thing about Altera is that as the import progresses, you can see the results down here below. So we'll click on this, and now if we go to, say, one of these first variants, we'll expand that, go here, it opens up in a new tab, and we can now see that this variant is just listed on that one channel. And that's all there is to it. At a high level, you would just export your products with Altera, change those columns, and re-upload the file to publish variants on different sales channels in bulk. You can find Altera on the Shopify App Store, and if you have any other questions, just reach out to us. Thanks for watching.